Today, I'm going to tell you all about our newly launched feature, the marquee effect in the announcement bar. So, initially, you could only display one moving message in the announcement bar, but now, with the help of the marquee effect, you can showcase multiple moving messages at same time in a very eye-catching manner. So, basically, you have the option to customize the space between the text and also the moving speed of the messages. And also you have the option to set it in a circular motion or alternate motion. So now let's quickly dive into our AI training dashboard and understand how exactly to enable this particular effect. Clicking here in AI training dashboard, go on the announcement bar and then announcement bar dashboard. From here, click on the create button, give the bar a name and select the type of the bar as an announcement bar and save it from here. Now, once you do that, you'll reach on this page where you can select templates from any of these beautiful templates and then write down the content here. For example, Christmas sale up to 30% off and holiday sale. Then select design and then click on behavior. Here you will get the option in header text style, marquee text circular or alternate. Any of it you can choose for according to your convenience. Select the speed of the text and you can definitely adjust the space between the messages and then just save it from here. And that's it. It will be live on your store within few minutes. So go and try it right now. Thank you so much.